What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to back in like a boss. If you are reversing somewhere, or if you are doing anything, if you are parking parallelly or doing anything, I'm just gonna tell you how to do that like easily and like a boss. You'll just be able to do it really easily. You just need to practice a couple of times and you'll be able to do it really easily. I do it and it's not difficult at all. Like I just tried it only a couple of times and I just became like really nice at it. I won't say that I'm a pro at it, but I'm gonna say I'm really nice at it. So I'm just gonna tell you guys what I use and what are my tips and tricks to do, or to back in like a boss, or to do anything like that. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing that you need to check is like you have adjusted your seat and you are able to see properly on both of your side windows, because it's the most important thing while you are backing up, or you are parking, or you are parallel parking, doing anything in reverse or normally driving. It's just like these two side mirrors are just like really important, and they need to be set as you want to just be like, yep, you are sitting in this driver position and you are able to see everything on the road. The most important thing you are able to see the roads and the gravel and the stones on the road and all of that. So you just need to see it properly, and all the lanes and everything, all the lines on the road, you just need to see that properly. Only then you will be able to reverse really nicely. Otherwise, if those two mirrors are not set up properly, it's just going to be a real hassle. And I have seen so many people who are just doing this and they just look back from the rear window. So that is not nice. Like, yeah, I don't like it. And in my car, as you can see, in my car it's not that visible. So from driver side you are not able to see a lot of stuff, because I have a sedan car and I do have some stuff right there. So because of that, I just usually like to use these side mirrors, which are just like adjusted to my view, like how I am driving, and everything is just like visible. I'm gonna show you how to just adjust all of that. So I'm pretty sure you will be able to see that this thing is just like adjusted pretty much nicely. So the way I'm showing you the mirror is the way I look at the side mirrors. So this is just like, you can see everything is just visible of what is in the rear, and I'm able to see the car, and I'm also able to see if there is any lane or if there is any line on the road. So I'm just able to see everything clearly. So you also need to do that. And on that side too, like you can see, I'm just able to see everything on there too. So you just need to adjust your side mirrors. And I think every single car have different buttons and different types to how to adjust, or different mechanism how to adjust your side mirrors. So you just need to adjust that, and then you can just do whatever I'm saying and you'll be able to park it nicely. Like as you can see, I'm just parked like this. I'm parked like this, and there is just like a lot of gap in between this road ending and my car. So I'm just gonna park it really close to it, and I'm gonna show you how to do that from inside. While you are sitting in the driver's side, I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So while you are driving and when you need to park it like there, so what you need to do is you just need to look in that side view mirror, and you need to turn. Like now you need to go to that side, so you need to turn your car to that side. So what you have to do is, if you have to go that side in reverse, you have to turn that wheel into that side. So I have turned that wheel right and all the way. So now I am gonna see in the side view mirror how close I am to the divider, or to the footpath, how close I am to the footpath. So I'm just like going, and now I can see my car is just like at the end. So I can see my car is at the end, and I was turned all the way like this when I was parking there. And now as soon as I'm gonna start reversing, I'm gonna turn it the other way around. So I'm just like, you can see now I'm really close to that side, so I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Now I'm gonna turn it other way, all the way other way. Like, yeah, I have turned it all the way right to the opposite direction where I wanted to go, and my car is just gonna go there. And while you have turned all the way right there, you are just gonna do it counter steer, and your car will just like go near to that side, and it will be just like really easy. So as you can see, I have parked my car. I'm gonna show you that how I parked it. I'm gonna show you it from the outside. So now you can see that I am like really close to the footpath and I don't have a lot of gap on the road, so I'm just parked all the way at this side. So when you are sitting on the driver's side, you just need to see where you are turning and where you need to go. If you want to go to any direction, like if you want to go to that direction, to the left of your car, you need to turn your wheel to the left and you just need to reverse. And while you are reversing, when you see your rear tire is just like approaching at the end, you need to counter steer and you need to turn to the other side, and then you will just counter steer and your front end is gonna line up properly with the footpath and you will be able to park it really nicely. This is like parallel parking of the other side when you are driving on the right side and you need to park it on the left side. So now I'm gonna show you, if you are parking at that side, how you need to park it. So if you are driving on the right side and you need to parallel park on the right side of the road, how you are gonna do that. Mostly like in India, if you are driving like in anywhere in the country, if you are driving at the right side, your steering wheel is at the right side, so you are gonna park it on the left side of the road. Or if you are on the left side of the road, like in US, you need to park it on the right side of the road. So it's just like that is opposite. So you just need to keep that in mind wherever you are gonna park. Mostly you are gonna park on the left side. Like at my house, I park it on the right side, so there's a wall and I nearly park it, so I'm not able to open my driver's side door. I climb from driver's side to passenger side and then I come out from my car, so I have to look after this side. So the same thing applies at that point too. If you are reversing at that point, you just need to see on your side view mirror and you just need to turn. If you are parking on right side, you need to turn your wheel all the way to the right side and you need to reverse, and when you see your wheel has approached at the end of that road and it's just like it's really close, then you need to counter steer and reverse like slowly. You need to reverse slowly and counter steer your car slowly, and then you'll be able to just make your front end also aligned with the footpath, like really parallelly, and you'll be able to park it parallelly like easily. So now as you can see, there is a parking spot and I want to park parallelly to that tree, and I'm gonna park like in reverse. I'm gonna reverse there and I'm gonna park there. So you are on the road, so the road is going this side and you have to park perpendicularly to the road. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So as you can see, I'm approaching the parking spot and I want to park here. So as you can see, like this is the parking spot where I want to park my car, and I'm just like standing perpendicularly. So I have to park my car like my back is gonna be to that wall and the front of my car is gonna be in the approaching the road. So I have to park like that. So you are on the road like this, so you are gonna just put your car in first gear and you are gonna turn your wheel all the way. Like you have turned your wheel all the way, and now you need to put your car in reverse, and then you need to check that mirror. And as soon as you see the tree, you are gonna start straightening. Like I'm gonna turn my wheel all the way to the right because I have to park in reverse on the right side of the road. So I have turned my wheel all the way right, and as soon as you are gonna see the tree, you are just gonna start straightening out the wheel. So now you can see the tree all the way, like yeah, the tree is just like clear. So I'm gonna park it like really close to the tree. So I need to turn it all the way and I need to go in reverse, and I need to do it slowly. And now like you can see, I am really close to the tree. Like the tree is on my left side and the road is on the front. So I'm just gonna check, I'm gonna look in the front and I'm gonna see if I am straight to the road or not. And you can also check that, you can also check the side mirrors of your car, like if you are straight or not. You will be able to see if you are straight or not. Like yeah, at this point I'm like straight perpendicular to the road, and I'm gonna turn my wheel all the way straight and I'm gonna reverse, and I'm gonna go as close as I can to that wall. Yep, as you can see, I have parked my car here, and I'm gonna show you how close I am and how I parked it. I was just watching the side mirror, and as you can see, it's just like really close to the wall, and I am parked all the way straight. Like as you can see, I am parked all the way straight and my car is just like parked. So this is the road and I'm parked perpendicularly to the road, and it's just like really easy. You just need to check your side mirrors and you will be able to do it easily. It's not that difficult. You just need to work on your side mirrors, how to look in your side mirrors, and your wheel, how to turn your wheel and where to turn your wheel while you are driving your car. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and this is just like a video in which you can just watch and you can learn from it. You need to practice it a couple of times and you'll be able to do it easily. It's not that big of a deal, and I'm assuring you that if you're gonna practice it a couple of times, you'll be able to do it really easily and you'll be able to park wherever you want to, like in reverse, or if you are driving normally, you'll be able to park really easily. So thank you guys for watching my video. Just like my video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot. So thank you guys. Peace out.